Hey guys, got another tip for you today. Working on my Lowrance Ghost trolling motor. On my first outing, I noticed that this directional arrow on the trolling motor, I don't know if you can hear it or not, it sounds a little draggy, because it's magnetic. So I noticed whenever I would use my foot pedal while the motor's on, the motor would turn itself, but the arrow would kind of do that behind, like it would just like it wasn't real smooth and flush like it should be. I ended up calling Lowrance customer service after reading some forums, and they said that there is a fix for that, and that fix is supposedly this white Teflon washer that is underneath the magnet that holds it on. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to switch this out. As you can see, there's 3 little tabs on this, so all that really holds that in there is a little clip, and the magnet is what spins it. So I'm going to be getting this out, and if you're like me and you have any problems, I strongly suggest contacting Lowrance customer service. They did a great job, I have to say. They quickly got back with me and were able to help me out and ship me the part. The only thing that they need from you is you're going to need your serial number of your Lowrance Ghost and a little bit of your information, and you'll be good to go. If you don't know your serial number, if you didn't know, it is underneath the foot pedal of your Ghost. If you lift it all the way up, there is a sticker back there that shows the serial number, and then you'll be able to find it that way. Okay, so very graciously, I'm gonna take my screwdriver in behind here. There's that one. There's that one. And that pops out. As you can see, the old one did not have a white Teflon washer, where this new one does. So hopefully that is gonna fix my problem. We're gonna put it right back on there and see how this goes. Just clips in like so. Oh, I can feel it already, that it feels a lot better. So we will turn this on and see how we do. Alright guys, so after changing out the silicone disc, I'm out here on the water, testing it out, and I'll say this, it's better. It's still not perfect. I've gotten a lot of tips from different guys. If you ask me, I think it needs to be designed better, but I'll say, I'll feather it. You can hear it moving, and you can still tell there's a little small jumpiness to it compared to what it should be. It should be completely smooth, in my opinion. Maybe I'm just being picky. I don't know. After about 4 times out, I've gotten used to the jumpiness. So I'll say the Teflon washer fixed my problem 98%. It's not perfect, but it's going to do the job, and I hope this helps somebody out.